Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about linearization. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to estimate about the square root of 2 over 3. To do about this one, we need to find first the derivative f of s. So this one that is about the square root. So we have number 2 with the square root of 1 minus s. Later that we do first the derivative of 1 minus s. So this one we have number 1 because we have the negative sign here. So we have negative number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. Now about this one, we can apply about linearization in here. That is about first the derivative f at s0 s minus s0 plus y0. So in this one we have a equals to number 0. So we put number 0 on here and here. About this one, that means we put a equal to number 0 and we put this one go for s. And now we have like this. Now we need to simplify everything. And we have negative 1 over 2s plus 1. The next one we want to estimate about the square root of 2 over 3. So we need to find the value of s to make sure that 1 minus s equal to 2 over 3 in here. Because we want to estimate the value. So both of them they should have the same. And now we simplify the square root. And I will put this one go in here. Negative s go to the right. And this one we have 1 over 3. So we have s equals to 1 over 3. And I will put this one cone here. And we have 5 over 6. And we see that the square root of 2 over 3 and 5 over 6, they are close together. This is the end. Thank you for watching.